Before starting to learn C programming, we must know some basic points of it. We must know the feature and we must know the reason behind why we are learning this language. If you are new to this channel, so please share, like and subscribe this channel. So let's start our video. Before learning any software programming language, we must know its syntax, we must know its basic. This is very important. Now C language introduction. C is a, C is a procedural programming language. Each and everything it should be in a procedure. It was initially developed by Denis Rich in 1972. It was mainly developed as a system programming language to write operating system, that is Linux operating system. The main feature of C language includes low level access to memory. It's very simple set of keywords and clean style. Right, so that's why it is very suitable to program. Many later languages borrowed syntax features directly or indirectly from C language, like syntax of Java, PHP, JavaScript. After that, after C language, there is a C++ language, which is superset of C. So some game engines also developed by C++ language. Now C is simply structure of C program. This is header files, then main function, then there will be a variable declaration and body. So variable declaration and body of program is inside the curly brace. So you have to write complete body in within curly brace. Now header files, so a lot of header files are there, like stdef.h, then stdint.h, stdio.h, that is input output, then std library.h, then string.h, math.h. So these are what in that header file it is mentioned there. Math.h, some that means some mathematical function it will be provided. Now there is stdio, that is standard input output if you want to do some operations regarding input and output. So we must attach that header files at the beginning of our program. So syntax to include a header file is very simple. You have to use hash, and after that you have to write include. After that there will be your header file with extension .h. So main method declaration, you have to declare main method by just simply int main and then opening and closing bracket, round bracket you have to use. After that there will be curly brace, within that curly brace variable declaration and body of program will be within that curly brace. Now variable declaration is very simple. You have to write just int, that is data type first, and after that there will be a variable, some rules of variable that I already discussed with you in previous videos. Now here you can see int main, then function, then curly brace has been open, and I have written there int a. So int is what? It's a data type which is denote for an integer value. We will store some integer value inside a variable, and by semicolon it will be closed. That statement we have to close by using semicolon. It is very important because it's a standard syntax. If you will not go through the syntax, so you will get some errors. You must debug the errors. So body of the program, that means it will have some functions which is used in a C programs. Now see here int a, and after that printf. So printf is what? Basically it's a function. Here percentage d is used as a specifier of integer. If you want to print some integer value, it is compulsory, it is must to write percentage d within double bracket, and after that you have to separate the variable name by comma. So printf, then bracket, within that bracket there will be a percentage d comma and then variable name, that is a. So it will print that value. So here a basic program is given. Writing first program, follows the program of C. Hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output. We have to operate, we have to do functions of standard input output.h. So that's why we have to add that header file. Then int main, inside there is a void. So here I am changing, actually before that I have written School of Scholars Vidarbha Maharashtra. Now I am changing the contents within printf function. I am writing there hello everyone, stay safe, stay home, and after that I have written 0. So return, actually what? It's a return type, so 0 will be written. If value will have some problem, so it will gives us, it will return errors, right? So I have written there, hello everyone, stay safe, stay home. Now I'm going to compile the program. So see here, the play button is there, which is show for the, which is denoting for the execution of program. So request compiling has been started, compiling process is going on. So see, hello everyone, stay safe and stay home, that is it, just a simple printing program. So by just putting some words or sentence within printf, and within that bracket, within double quotes, and that statement must be closed by semicolon. So in such a way you can print anything that you want. Here I am going to declare some variable. Now we will stop here. In next video we will, I have already prepared a video which will have addition of two numbers. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.